Hi, this is Becca and thanks for joining me on my Wellness Workshop series. Now the recipe we're going to do today uses Thieves and lemon essential oils to clean with. Now Thieves essential oil is the king of cleaning. That's really all there is to it. It's so effective and it is so popular that Young Living built an entire line of products around the Thieves essential oil blend. Now I use the Thieves household cleaner to clean countertops and baseboards and windows and walls and pretty much everything. My kitchen table, like you name it, that I use it. Well, for the handful of things that I don't use my household cleaner for, I use this recipe, and that is a scrub. Now I use a scrub for my bathtub, my shower, and my sinks. Sometimes a little on my countertops if they're really nasty. I also use baking soda base. Oh yeah, it's a baking soda base. And I use the baking soda base to clean my toilet with. So very simple, very clean, and takes advantage of some great cleaning properties in Thieves essential oil. Now, the Thieves blend is clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. That's the one I skipped, eucalyptus and rosemary. So it smells fantastic. It's really heavy on the cinnamon and the clove. Really smells like fall and Christmas and just smells wonderful. But Young Living has Thieves cleaning power in, like I said, household cleaner, in mouthwash, in toothpaste, in hand soap, in like a waterless hand purifier, Thieves spray, fruit and veggie wash. So really, really great cleaning power there. Now I like to freshen it up a bit with some extra lemon essential oil. I just think lemon is really bright and clean, and the last house that we lived in, we had white porcelain sinks and bathtubs, so they were beautiful when they were clean, but I needed something that took care of stains really well, and lemon takes care of stains really, really well. It has some really awesome cleaning powder. It takes care of adhesives, and I mean, you can use it and get Sharpie off of your skin or off of your toddler's skin if you're one of those people that might need something like that. So I make this baking soda based scrub in a mason jar. You can see I've been using this jar in the past. No need to clean it. I'm just gonna refill it. So I do about a cup of baking soda. Let's see if I can do this by pouring. This box is really heavy because it's a new box of baking soda, so it's pretty full. Get some baking soda in there. Oop, and I'm spilling. Alright, I did get a spoon for this exact reason, because I knew it was going to make a mess. So I'm just going to do, like I said, about a cup of the baking soda. I love a simple and versatile recipe. This stuff is awesome. It works so good. Just sprinkle in what I need and keep what I don't in the jar. That's why I make a full cup batch at a time. I can pretty much clean like my shower, my kids' tub, and all the sinks with one batch. So that looks pretty good. Said it before, you don't gotta be perfect. Just kind of eyeball it and you'll be fine. But the mason jar gives you some tick marks, so I got it all over my hands too. All right. I've got a knife here, and I use my butter knife to just sort of make a little bit of a well down in the middle, just to make it easier. I'm just sort of pushing it to the side, just so that it's gonna combine easier when I add the other things. The next ingredient I use is liquid Castile soap. This is the big 32-ounce bottle. I use this stuff for lots of different things. Face wash, hand wash, I use it for shampoo. You can clean dishes with it, you can clean laundry with it. It's really versatile and it's really inexpensive. I always get this light blue one. This is the baby mild version that doesn't have any scent to it. You can get them in lots of different flavors and that already have essential oils in it, but it literally smells like nothing. It smells like the bottle, that's it. So 1 or 2 teaspoons in my cup of baking soda. Again, just kind of eyeball it. Usually I measure the first time. And then after that, I see how much that looks like, and I can kind of wing it after that. So, got my thieves oil here, and I've got my jar with my baking soda. So, I do 1 to 2 drops per ounce. So, a cup is 8 ounces. Go around about 10 or so. I love just kind of winging it. So satisfying. Which is funny, I'm usually a very like precise kind of person, but not in these recipes. I ain't got time for that. Who's got time to bust out measuring utensils for every ingredient for every DIY recipe you're gonna do? So now I'm taking my knife and just sort of pushing down and around just to get it all well combined. Now I like the extra cleaning I get from the soap, but it also makes it a really nice texture. Makes it a little smooth and not so powdery where like the little dust of baking soda is wafting up my nose. Not that it'll hurt you, it's just not terribly pleasant. So I'm gonna get it all nice and well combined in my jar. And then all you gotta do to use this is just, I get that spoon back out and just sprinkle some in my sink, and I have one of those silicone scrubbers. I love that thing. Silicone scrubby thing that gets nice, like I can wash it and it gets clean. It's not like a sponge that holds all the yuck. And I clean the bathtubs and I clean the sink and I can do it all at once, and it's really easy. It's one product for lots of different things, and I love that in cleaning. That was like the worst thing about my old cleaning products, my commercial cleaning products, is you feel like you need something different for everything. Like, yeah, I can use Comet in my toilet, but I don't really want to use that on my sink. That's kind of gross, but I didn't like having all that stuff under there. So now I keep baking soda in my house, and I keep Castile soap in my house, and I keep Thieves household cleaner in my house, and that really does the job. Oh yeah, I have vinegar too. There you have it. I'm all done. I'm ready to go clean. I probably won't right now because I really don't like it. But I like it. I dislike it less since I have Thieves smelling stuff that just smells pleasant. So let me know what you think. Try it out. It's super simple, really easy swap, nice and safe, healthy, non-toxic, great little cleaning recipe. So thanks for tuning in, and join me for the rest of my Wellness Workshop series.